Hello, and welcome to another update video about VRA Verasity. Haven't talked about it for a while, but it is one of the coins that is one of the first ones actually broke out of its bearish structure down here. We had a support or trend reversal area down here, and since it turned around there, we have a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 pullback. Both reached their targets. I have taken out those target areas, support areas now off the chart. I always want to leave only the ones on the chart that are really relevant. And this one is still relevant right now. My interpretation is that the market is possibly in a third wave to the upside now, after we had a nice rally between December 22 and February this year. Then this long correction, which I'm counting as a WXY structure, market turned around where it needed to, and we could indeed be in this third wave, which again would be a 5-wave move to the upside, and we are currently likely within the third wave, and within the third wave in a fourth wave. Okay, so that fourth wave, okay, it might be complete, but the way this looks, it would have to be a WXY structure actually if it's already complete. But even then, it's not very evident yet, you know. It could even form a triangle pattern, believe it or not. So this wave 4 might actually form a triangle. There are just too many options in these corrections, especially in a wave 4. I think if we talk about it like that, this could be a WXY. So it might have bottomed. What I don't like about the idea that it has bottomed already, even though it reacted nicely to the support area. Let me just shift that across. Actually, I need to adjust it slightly. So what I don't like about the idea it has bottomed is that this swing low was higher than the previous one. That is extremely rare. So what we cannot ignore is the idea that this might be maybe even a triangle. So different options. So it could be a triangle, A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, and then the E wave. That's possible. And the wave 4 would basically get another dip into the support area, higher low, and then we could get a breakout. First breakout indication would be a break above, what is it, 0.0089 USD. That would be the first indication, because in a triangle, this would be the B wave high. No, actually, that would be confirmation. That's confirmation when we really form a triangle. The B wave is broken, then we have a valid breakout, you know. I mean, it could also be that this WXY simply extends further. So we just need to be a bit flexible. But the bottom line is, and that's also what I explained in previous videos, as long as we're holding here this 61.8 retracement at 0.0058 USD, things are okay. Yeah, things are okay. Let me actually think about something. 1, 2. Yeah, I think I need to just change something. No, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. I need to rethink the entire structure here maybe. And we've got a wave 1, we've got a wave 2. That's all okay. Then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But would that really be wave 3? Maybe. But then I would like to have this as an impulse, but it doesn't look very impulsive. So we need to be a bit careful here. This doesn't really look fully as like an impulse, okay? So I don't like the idea that this is already completing wave 3. Don't like the idea that this is already completing wave 3. Maybe, and that might be a better idea, maybe, I need to see all of this as a larger diagonal, but I would have to rework it. But for now, even then, this support area would remain valid. So for now, I go with what we've got here and see if we form a 5th wave to the upside, because it could even be that all these 5 waves then will form a larger degree wave 1, okay? That would fit a little bit better. Because then this 3rd wave would be much higher eventually, which I think works also much better with regards to the proportions and fib levels on the entire chart. So the way I wanna, what I suggest is actually this count. I think we should just do it right now. I think it looks much better. 3, 4. So the count itself, really the assumption this is a wave 4, doesn't change at all. No, it doesn't. Also, this is okay. And then this would just form a 5th wave, you know? Okay, and as soon as these 5 waves are in, we call that a wave 1. Then we get a wave 2 pullback, and then we can add the next support area. So I think that works much better and is more in line with what other coins are doing. Now what we have to do is just to change the wave degree here to 5 waves like this. And then I have to add the next degree, which is sort of connecting these 5 waves with this 3rd wave. But then it all adds up better on the chart, yeah? It all adds up much better. So because this 5-wave move, which is, again, it's not confirmed yet, but is potentially forming, would be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I have to shift all of it across. That would be this degree. And then we've got something like this, okay? And then we have already completed everything. Yeah, this looks much better. Looks much better like, or much more like many other coins. We've got our 1, 2, 3. Remember that I said in this move up, it wasn't a very clear impulse. Could also have been, you know, something different. And then this is not impulsive, so I have to see all of this as diagonal. But that doesn't change the short term at all. And if we now measure the fib extensions and we take that wave 1, that wave 2, then we can see that so far this 3rd wave here, thing is, it hasn't even reached the 1.236. I mean, it came very close, but okay, let's see. If this is now wave 4 and the wave 5 is still coming, then the wave 5 should ideally reach 1.08 cents or even 1.272. So generally, we can focus on further upside as long as that 0.0058 USD level is holding. Okay, that's my update about Verasity. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.